We're at 3756 Monopoly Court. This is located in Tiger Point in Victorian Village. We've just stepped into the front door here. We can see our dining area and a sitting area. To our right, we have a nice large coat closet. Continuing down to our right is our laundry room and our 2-car garage. Now you can see we have a hallway, and then we also have this entryway here to our kitchen. So we have nice granite countertops, tile in the kitchen for easy cleanup. If we take a turn down this hallway, we are going to our 3 guest bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So directly in front of us is the first bedroom. This is located on the south side of the home. And here's that second guest bedroom, again on the south side of the home. All the bedrooms have very nice sized closets. If we go down this hallway here, we are passing another towel closet. And here is our 3rd guest bedroom. This is the last bedroom on this hallway. Coming back out, we have our closet, and then we have our bathroom. So nice good size shower tub combo. Now if we head back out towards the kitchen, we have our breakfast nook and our living area. We do have nice raised ceilings up here. Large windows looking into our backyard. If we take a turn here, we'll head to our master suite. So this is on the back side of the home, completely separate from the other bedrooms. We'll take you to the walk-in closet here. Very nice sized closet, perfect for anyone. And here's that bedroom from a different angle. Now crossing over here, we'll go into the ensuite. Here we have our double sink vanity. In front of us, we have our toilet room and our garden tub. Here's that commode room. And then turning, we have our stand-in shower. So coming back out, we'll take you to the backyard. So we're going back through the master. We're standing at our back door here. The backyard is fenced in, so it's perfect for family and kids. And we do have a nice sized patio here as well. Again, this is 3756 Monopoly Court, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at barronspm.com.